I've restored cars, and Ferraris in particular, all over the world, and from my experience, I don't think you can beat the Italian craftsmanship when it comes to Ferrari or Maserati. Knowledge is paramount, and the cars I find are more correct, and they're not just shiny and beautiful, but they actually work well. This is a car, a Ferrari 275 GTB short nose 6 carburettor, right hand drive. When I purchased the car, it was in long nose configuration, which is how it had been since 1966. I wanted to totally restore the car. I wanted to return it to its original specification of not just short nose, but the correct color inside and out, and the correct specification throughout.
Il restauro della 275 GTB2 è iniziata con un'attenta analisi delle problematiche che si presentavano. Le problematiche più evidenti erano la parte frontale, che era stata sostituita con la versione GTB4, e i parafanghi posteriori, che erano stati allargati per poter correre in pista.
I decided to entrust the car to the world's best restoration specialists. I feel very privileged that these companies have worked on this car. Egidio Brandoli started his career at Scaglietti, and he built these cars new. He most probably actually put the body on this car when it was new.
Il processo di restauro è iniziato con la preparazione di tutti i pezzi necessari per riportare la vettura alle specifiche originali. Le operazioni più evidenti erano la parte frontale e i parafanghi posteriori. Per riportare l'auto all'originale splendore, gli interventi sono numerosi. Un'altra fase importante del nostro lavoro è la coordinazione di tutti gli specialisti coinvolti nel progetto.
whole project has been managed by Brandoli. They have subcontracted the work to Cremonini for the paintwork, Lupi for the interior, Sauro for the mechanics, but I have only had to communicate with one company, which is Brandoli.